Even the backyard barbecue novice knows without fire, there is no food. That's how Andre Scaff describes the role of the ignition coil in today's modern engines, given the demand for better fuel efficiency, fewer emissions, and better performance, all out of a smaller engine.
In the ignition world, we need to ignite fuels, so we can compare this to like a grill. You can have the best grill in the world. If you do not ignite that fuel, you won't cook that steak. So simple as that. No fire, no steak.
Scaff's friends laugh when he uses that analogy because he loves to grill steaks. But the analogy works because ignition is central to everything a modern engine needs to do. As Delphi neared the start of production in 2013, the price of a rare earth metal spiked. Neodymium magnets allow engineers to increase the energy output without making the ignition coil bigger.
Just all of a sudden the market changed for the rare earth magnets, and we went one day with a 6, 7, 8 cents piece price to 54 cents piece price. So an impact on the material cost, and then we cannot recover on the price.
The team welcomed the challenge. There was not much time, so Scaff and his team started to work immediately on designing a magnet-free coil that delivered the same performance without increasing the package size. So how did you do it, Andre? Can you give us a hint?
No.
How about the result? Can you share that?
So we went from 2 customers in China for about 2.6 million coils to 9 customers at 7 million coils.
When combined with the sales of a second-generation design, Delphi is now up to 12 customers and 12 million units annually. The key was making a flexible, modular design, something Delphi hadn't done so much in the past.
So while we redesigned the coil to have no magnets, we made sure it was modular, meaning most of the coil is exactly the same. So we changed the interface with the customer. So the housing, the connector, the boots, the things at the very end of the line. So it could be truly modular.
The accomplishment was monumental, certainly one of the greatest achievements in Andre's career. But it was a team effort, and he hopes the magnitude of winning a Boss Cat Award isn't lost on team members.
It's huge. It's huge. It's us showing up that we can do stuff.
He is quick to point out that by consolidating operations in Auburn Hills, Michigan, his team is able to make, test, and analyze samples all in one spot, giving Delphi a leg up on the competition. Like a high-energy ignition coil, Scaff is charged up with pride over his team's determination, ingenuity, and drive. There is a fire burning inside of them, ready for the next challenge. The next backyard steak, if you will.